Deep beneath a giant banyan tree, in a vast underground city, lived a colony of tiny ants. They were small, quiet, and often ignored by the world above. But what they lacked in size, they made up for in unity. Every day, the ants worked together gathering food, building tunnels, protecting their queen, and helping one another. Their motto is simple: unity is strength. One scorching summer afternoon, danger arrived. A herd of enormous animus elephants, wild boars, and buffaloes stormed into the forests searching for water. Their heavy feet crushed plants, broke branches, and shook the ground. Soon, they reached the banyan tree. The ants felt the tremors. "Disaster's coming," cried a worker ant. "If they step here, our entire home will be destroyed." The queen ant calmly spoke. "We may be small, but together we are powerful. We will not run, we will stand united." The ants quickly formed a plan. Thousands of ants climbed up blades of grass, tree trunks, and rocks. They waited silently as the largest elephant stepped forward, lifting its massive foot to stomp near the anthill. That's when the ants attacked. Not with brute force, but with teamwork. They swarmed together in perfect coordination. Some crawled into the elephant's trunk, others onto its ears, legs, and sensitive skin. They bit in unison, not to destroy, but to defend. The elephant trumpeted loudly in panic. "What is this?" it cried, shaking its head. The buffalo and boars tried to help, but soon they too were surrounded. Thousands of tiny ants, working as one, became an unstoppable force. Overwhelmed and frightened, the giant animals backed away. "Retreat," shouted the elephant. "These tiny creatures are stronger than they seem." Within moments, the herd ran off, leaving the banyan tree untouched. The ants slowly returned to their colony. No cheers, no prideful boasting, just quiet understanding. They had protected their home not because they were powerful individually, but because they stood together. That evening the queen spoke once more. "Remember this day. The world may see us as small, but unity makes us unstoppable." And from that day on, the forest carried a whisper in the wind. Even the smallest can defeat the biggest when they stand united.